everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. So for that, first thing is open the Facebook application. Now once you're done that, if you're having the issue of not being able to add a friend or the add friend not showing up in Facebook, there might be few reasons. The first is the user has restricted their privacy setting. So if you go to this menu icon, then go to the setting and privacy, tap on setting, and there you tap on how people find and contact you. You will have the option of who can send you your friend request. You tap that and there you will have everyone and friend of friend. So if someone or a Facebook user switched their privacy setting to friend of friend rather than everyone, you won't be able to send them a request. You can try adding a friend of the user you want to send a friend request to first. This is a way of setting which will limit the friend requests you're gonna get. The second is the user denied your friend request. If you have added a Facebook user as a friend and they deleted it, you may not be able to see the add friend option for some period of time, as Facebook does not inform its user when a friend request gets denied. So this is a sign that your friend request has been denied when you cannot see the add friend option. The third reason for your having this issue is the person you want to add a friend have reached the friend limit. Facebook has a certain friend limit. Once the friend of yours have reached the number of friends that you can have on Facebook, you won't see the add friend option when you view their profile. So rather than adding it to your friend, you need to try following instead. So these are the few issues and information on how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.